Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook story not loading. So let's say you're trying to see story of one of your friend and you click on it and nothing shows up, just it keeps on loading, or like it just like shows you black screen. In that case, check your internet, because most of the time this problem is caused by your slow internet connection. And if your internet connection is stable and you're still facing the problem, the next thing you can do is update your Facebook. Sometimes you not updating your Facebook for a long time causes the problem and causes you different bugs. So causes this bug. So updating your Facebook should fix your issue. But if your Facebook is up to date and you have a fast internet and you're still facing the problem, the next thing you can do is just delete your Facebook app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes this problem, so deleting the app restores your setting of Facebook and fixes your issue. So try to do that as well. And even after deleting your Facebook app and reinstalling it again didn't fix it, the next thing you can do is check if Facebook server is down. Because if Facebook server is down, then you are not going to be able to use Facebook properly, and that could be the issue. And if Facebook servers are down, then the only thing you can do is wait until their servers are back online again and properly working. So to check if they're offline or not, you can just go to your search browser and search for is Facebook down detector. Once you search for this, click on the first option, down detector, and read it. It says user report indicates possible problem at Facebook, which means Facebook is facing problem, which means I'm not the only person who's facing issue in Facebook. There's tons of other people who are facing issue. So right now, the only thing I can do is wait until they fix the issue and I can start using Facebook. So hope you understand how to fix this issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.